Have you ever wanted to make your text stand out on your WordPress post, like adding a pop of color behind a key sentence or word? Whether it's to emphasize important points or make your content more visually appealing, highlighting text with color is a simple but powerful trick, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the post or page where you want to add the highlight. In the WordPress block editor, select the text you'd like to emphasize. It could be a word, phrase, or even a whole sentence. Once your text is selected, look for the small More Options icon. That's the three dots in the formatting toolbar above your text. Click on it, and from the menu, choose Highlight. A color panel will appear, allowing you to pick a background color for your highlight. This instantly adds a colored background behind your selected text, just like a digital highlighter pen. Now, if you also want to change the text color itself, you can do that too. With the same text still selected, click the highlight option again, and this time choose your preferred text color. This lets you match or contrast your colors for extra emphasis, perfect for callouts, key terms, or important announcements. And that's it. You've successfully highlighted text in WordPress without using any extra plugins or code. It's a quick, built-in feature that makes your content look more dynamic, draws readers' attention to what matters most, and helps your message stand out beautifully on the page. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to try it out on your next post and watch how it transforms the look and feel of your content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.